Can you say Matthew? Good. You want to give Matthew a kiss? Come here. Give brother a kiss. Kisses. Oh, good job. Oh, good job. Yeah. See, there's my brother. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Good job. There's Matthew. You say Matthew? Yeah, he's got a car on his pajamas. What do you think? Yeah? So you need his blanket off. Up! Careful. I'm taking care of brother. Gentle, yeah. Gentle.